In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a generated clip in Opus Clip. If you've already created clips inside your Opus Clip project and you're ready to save one to your device, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your project in Opus Clip. Make sure you're inside the correct project where your generated clips are stored, since all of your available clips will be listed there. Once the project is open, take a moment to scan through the clips and locate the specific one you want to download. This is especially helpful if your project contains multiple generated versions or several short clips. After you've found the clip you want, look just below the clip thumbnail. You should see a download icon in that area. This is the control that lets you save the clip directly from your project. Go ahead and click the download icon. As soon as you click it, give the platform a moment to respond. The export options will appear, and this is where you can choose how you want the file to be downloaded. Depending on what's available in your project, you may see different settings related to the export. Select your preferred download settings carefully so the final file matches what you need. Once your settings are selected, click Download to confirm. At this point, Opus Clip will begin preparing the file. Depending on the size of the clip and your connection speed, the download may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just wait for the clip to finish downloading completely. It's a good idea not to close the tab or interrupt the process while the file is being prepared and downloaded. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose your preferred location so you can easily find it afterward. If your browser downloads automatically, check your default downloads folder once the process is complete. And that's it. You can now download generated clips from your Opus Clip project quickly and easily. Once the file has finished downloading, it's ready for you to review, share, upload, or store wherever you need it.